Imagine a penalty kick in a crucial World Cup match. The striker lines up, takes a deep breath, and strikes the ball. But instead of the satisfying thud of boot on leather, there's a strange wobble. The ball, misshapen and unpredictable, veers wildly off course, leaving the goalkeeper stranded and the crowd in stunned silence. This is the chaotic reality of a world where soccer balls aren't perfect. In a sport defined by precision and skill, the humble soccer ball plays a pivotal role. We're accustomed to seeing perfectly spherical balls gliding through the air, obeying the laws of physics and the masterful touch of the players. But what if these balls, the very foundation of the beautiful game, were flawed? What if each kick carried the risk of unpredictable swerves, wobbly trajectories, and unexpected bounces? The consequences of such imperfections would be far-reaching, impacting every aspect of the game from basic passes to spectacular goals. In this alternate reality, the sport we know and love would be a far more unpredictable and arguably far more frustrating affair. The creation of a match-ready soccer ball is a meticulous process, a blend of artistry and engineering. It begins with the selection of materials, typically high-performance synthetic leathers chosen for their durability, water resistance, and ability to maintain their shape. These materials are then carefully cut into panels, the iconic hexagonal and pentagonal shapes that define a soccer ball's aesthetic. These panels are then stitched together, either by hand or machine, with incredible precision. The stitching itself is crucial, impacting the ball's aerodynamics and overall performance. Finally, the ball is inflated to the precise pressure, tested for its weight, circumference, and sphericity, ensuring it meets the stringent regulations set by FIFA, the governing body of world football. This rigorous process is a testament to the importance of perfection in soccer ball manufacturing. Each step, from material selection to the final inflation, is designed to create a ball that behaves predictably, allowing players to execute their skills with confidence. Now, let's delve into the hypothetical realm of imperfect soccer balls and how these flaws could dramatically alter the flow of a game. Imagine a long pass, intended to find a streaking winger. But instead of sailing smoothly through the air, the ball, burdened by an uneven weight distribution, dips and swerves erratically, throwing off the receiver's timing and ruining a potentially goal-scoring opportunity. Or picture a free kick, the striker lining up a curling shot that bends around the wall of defenders. However, a slight bump on the ball's surface disrupts its trajectory at the crucial moment, sending the ball wide of the goalpost, turning a moment of individual brilliance into a missed opportunity. These are just a few examples of how imperfections could inject an element of chaos into the game. The unpredictable nature of a flawed ball would force players to constantly adjust their technique, making it challenging to execute even the simplest passes or shots with accuracy and consistency. The goalkeeper's nightmare, facing unpredictable shots and swerves. Perhaps no one on the field would feel the impact of imperfect soccer balls more acutely than the goalkeeper. Tasked with the responsibility of stopping shots, a goalkeeper relies on anticipation, reflexes, and a deep understanding of the ball's trajectory. But facing a barrage of unpredictable shots, each one wobbling and swerving in unpredictable ways, would turn even the most seasoned goalkeeper's job into a nightmare. Imagine a seemingly straightforward shot, one that a goalkeeper would normally collect with ease. However, a slight asymmetry in the ball's shape causes it to dip unexpectedly at the last moment, bouncing awkwardly in front of the diving goalkeeper and potentially slipping through his grasp. The constant uncertainty would not only test a goalkeeper's physical abilities, but also their mental fortitude. The inability to anticipate the ball's movement could lead to hesitation, second-guessing, and ultimately, more goals conceded. From factory floor to field, the crucial role of quality control. The hypothetical scenarios we've explored underscore the vital importance of quality control in soccer ball manufacturing. Every match ball used in professional games undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of sphericity, weight, and circumference. These tests are not mere formalities. They are crucial gateways that ensure fairness and consistency at the highest level of the sport. From pressure gauges that measure the internal pressure to sophisticated machines that assess the roundness of the ball, each test plays a part in upholding the integrity of the game. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that when a player steps onto the field, they can trust that the ball will behave predictably, allowing them to focus on their skills and tactical awareness rather than worrying about the ball itself. The price of imperfection. How flaws could rewrite soccer history. The impact of imperfect soccer balls could extend far beyond individual games, potentially altering the course of soccer history. Imagine a crucial penalty kick in a World Cup final decided not by the striker's skill, but by the unpredictable swerve of a flawed ball. Or a legendary goal, one that redefined the sport, never happening because a misshapen ball failed to curve as intended. These hypothetical scenarios highlight the profound impact that seemingly minor imperfections could have on the game. They underscore the importance of precision and consistency in a sport where the difference between victory and defeat can come down to the smallest margins. In a world of imperfect soccer balls, luck and chance would play a far greater role, potentially undermining the spirit of fair competition that lies at the heart of the beautiful game. Precision in every stitch, the importance of a perfect sphere. In the grand scheme of a soccer match, the ball itself might seem like a minor detail. Yet, as we've explored, its perfection is paramount to the integrity and beauty of the sport. The ability to control, pass, and shoot a soccer ball with precision relies on its consistent shape, weight, and responsiveness. Each perfectly placed pass, each thunderous strike, each spectacular save is a testament to the science, craftsmanship, and rigorous quality control that goes into creating a match-ready soccer ball. It's a reminder that even in a sport dominated by human skill and athleticism, the perfect sphere remains an indispensable element, silently underpinning every moment of brilliance on the field.